Ellis, and I like my swimming and I'm in wave 6.
Hi, I'm Adele. I am the swimming teacher here at Llandudno Swimming Centre.
Ellis is just finished wave 5, so he's moving on to wave 6 in Llandudno swimming pool.
Sometimes I like pushing off the walls and make a rocket or a pencil.
So when Ellis first joined, he was very shy and he really kept himself to himself. Since being in the lessons, he has grown massively. He's become so confident in his swimming, and then he's mentioned about wanting to be a lifeguard, so it's really nice to see him making that progress.
He absolutely loves coming swimming, and he's just become so confident in the pool.
I mostly like jumping off the diving board. I like going swimming on holiday and in the pool.
Oh, I think it's just a life skill that everybody needs, children and adults. It makes our life so much easier when we go on holiday because we don't have to panic that he's going to not be able to swim in the pool, or when we have beach days or, you know, things like that. We don't need to panic or be as worried with him being near the water. I just think it's such an essential thing that children need to learn. Ffit Conwy, we chose that because it's local to us. There's lots of different times available every day for different lessons. It fits in around school and work. It's just really convenient, and the price is brilliant.
They are very inclusive and they're really fun to teach. I really enjoy it, and we make it as fun as possible.
Signed him up for the swimming. There was like a swimming block over the last half term, and we came every single day, Monday to Friday, just for half an hour, and he learned about life-saving skills. They learn how to save each other in the pool if they were drowning. They had life rings out, rafts, everything. He had the most fun.
So I was doing some life-saving, but not real life-saving.
And it actually inspired him because he said now that he wants to use those skills, and he'd like to be a lifeguard when he's older.
Be a lifeguard.